Hey Tillman County, it's National Preparedness Month. I am your Emergency Management Director, Mike Thornton, and today we're going to be talking about how thunderstorms develop and what a weather watch and weather warning is. So how do we get thunderstorms? Well, first it starts with radiation. Our sun produces radiation, and it takes about 8 minutes for that radiation to reach the ground. And then once it reaches the ground, we get what is known as conduction, which is the ground heating the air. As this warm air rises, we get what is known as convection, and convection is those white puffy cumulus clouds that eventually turned into thunderheads, or otherwise known as cumulonimbus clouds. As mentioned previously, these cumulus clouds can turn into cumulonimbus clouds. Cumulonimbus clouds are towering, dense clouds often associated with thunderstorms. These clouds can reach impressive heights of 60,000 feet, sometimes higher than what an airplane flies. Usually with these type of clouds, you can see heavy rain, lightning, hail, and if a storm is strong enough, they do have the potential to produce tornadoes. Next, we're going to talk about updrafts and downdrafts. An updraft is upward moving air into a storm. A downdraft is downward moving air exiting a storm. Typically, you can tell where an updraft is because there will be no rain in that region. A downdraft is where you're going to see all of the heavy rain, hail, and strong wind gusts. In this section, it will be usually marked by a very dark area where heavy rain is falling. Updrafts carry water, ice, and even insects. These water particles collide with each other until they overcome that updraft, and then they fall to the ground either as water or hail. Finally, let's talk about tornado formation. Tornadoes form within powerful thunderstorms when wind conditions cause the air to spin horizontally. A strong updraft can tilt the rotating air vertically, creating a rotating column of air that stretches from the cloud to the ground. When this rotation tightens and speeds up, a tornado forms, capable of producing significant damage with intense winds. If you see a tornado on the ground, it's very wise to get to shelter immediately. Now that we've talked about thunderstorm and tornado formation, let's talk about what a weather watch and a weather warning is. Imagine if you were going to make tacos. A taco watch is the same thing as a severe thunderstorm watch or tornado watch. You have the ingredients there to make that taco, but it has yet to be made. That is the same thing for a weather watch. We have the ingredients in the atmosphere for severe weather to occur, but it's not occurring at this moment. When a weather watch is issued for Tillman County, it's best to just stay off the roads for that duration, because in that duration, severe weather is possible, and by staying off the roads, you're increasing your likelihood of not being in a dangerous situation when severe weather occurs. Now let's talk about weather warnings. Weather warnings include severe thunderstorm warnings and tornado warnings, as well as tornado emergencies at times. When a severe thunderstorm warning is issued for any of the towns in Tillman County, that means wind gusts above 58 miles per hour or hail above 0.75 inches is occurring in that area. If you are put under a severe thunderstorm warning, seek shelter in a sturdy building at the lowest and most interior part of that area. When a tornado warning or tornado emergency is issued for towns in Tillman County, that means a tornado has been either indicated by radar or storm spotters for Tillman County emergency management officials, law enforcement, firefighters, or any other type of public safety personnel has spotted and confirmed a tornado is on the ground. When a tornado warning is issued, seek shelter immediately. Get to the lowest and most interior part of that home, business, whatever it may be. Put as many walls in between you and the outside as possible. Research has shown that if you are in the most interior and lowest part of a building during a tornado, your likelihood of survival increases dramatically. Well, that does it for this week's National Preparedness Month video. I hope you guys learned something new and come back next week for a new video. Thank you so much and have a great day.